Hi, my name is Larry Chernoff. I'm here at HPA Retreat 2018, and I'm with MTI Film, and we're showing a preview of version 5 of Cortex. We're showing the new process for organizing your IMFs. We're showing metadata editing for DolbyVision, metadata level 1 analysis so that you don't have to go back to the color room to do that. You can actually do it in Cortex. You can insert, you can delete metadata as well as essence, and output a new essence and metadata file. We are also showing our latest dead pixel correction, which is an improvement upon what we've done in the past. It's absolutely seamless and has proven to be one of the more popular aspects of Cortex in general. We're also doing ProRes MXF for IMF, as well as insert editing for ProRes. And a bunch of other new features, editorial features that are useful in the creation of IMF and other types of compositions. So that's basically it for version 5, as we'll be showing at NAB, and you can come by and see more of what we've done.